Eve 2020. As you can see here, this is one of the lines for the hot seat. As you can see, it's super long today. Okay, so we're here at Gator Spot now, and of course the gators are right behind me. These gators are, again, very cool. This place is usually busy, but right now it's ghostly. So of course we're going to be walking over here on our Gator Spot tour. You have some reptiles right over here, which are pretty cool. Those are baby alligators right over there. So again, this is just super cool what we can witness here at Gator Spot. And again, this is included in your admission. You don't have to pay anything extra for this area. Moving up on our tour of Gator Spot, we're going to go to a super cool section of Gator Spot. But first we have to go to these two parrots here. Now this is, I would say, a famous alligator. Of course it's white. People say it's not real. It actually is, because I did see it move. However, it does not move a lot over the days, but it does move from every other day. Now that's basically pretty much it for Gator Spot, right? There's not much else really here in Gator Spot. Okay everybody, so now we are in the Ferris Wheel here at Fun Spot, brand new for the 2020 season. We're going up above Orlando. We're almost to the top of the Ferris Wheel in just a few moments. But this is a great place to witness some of the amazing Christmas views. Plus over there, actually, there's a helicopter taking right off. So see if we can pan over to this helicopter. Nice thing about here at Fun Spot is, of course, you get the great views. You can see the brand new drastic roller coaster all over there. Again, that's going to be brand new for the summer 2021 season. So. Thanks for watching this video. Click subscribe if you enjoyed it, and give the video a thumbs up. But guys, till next time we're back here together again. I am Tyler, and you're watching the Tyler Show.
When I look at you now, and adrenaline